The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new Ethereum Classic video. Minus 0.8%. It's doing a lot better than a lot of other stuff, guys. It's doing a lot better than a lot of other stuff. Right now everything is like minus 5 to minus 10, 15% in the red, but Ethereum Classic, it just doesn't want to go down. Now we're gonna start talking about the weekly time frame, and just by looking on the weekly chart, like, it looks good. We didn't fall below the 20 moving average. We resetted all the indicators. We used to be here at 90. Right now we're here at 57 on this RSI indicator, rubber band indicator, at some kind of very low levels. So technicals are looking very good. We are above all the moving averages. Weekly chart looks nice. So, you know, and that's what big players are actually looking at. They are looking at the weekly chart. They don't look at the daily or a 4-hourly or a 1-hourly chart. No, they look at the weekly chart and see how that plays out. And when they see something like this, they go like, nice, very nice. So let's go down to, but we are not big players, so we're gonna go down to watch the daily charts, what's happening short term. Yesterday we had a really nice candle over here, really nice candle. We did two things. We went above this level here at 59.5. That was a really important support. Once we broke it, we want to get back above that. So this line is actually holding. We also held the 50 moving average. You see this the break on the 50 moving average, and this is the rejection of the break, right? So this, it was like never happened. So this 50 moving average actually held the support technically, so it's very good. It looks very nice. It looks very good. We are above the line of support over here, and on the daily we went all the way up to the resistance on the 10 moving average, and we are hitting a resistance right now, right over here. You can see that. But here's the thing on the why this is even more bullish than some people might assume. Even though we closed below it, the next day we are still above the moving average, and that's a very, very good thing. So we are starting here at exactly right now 0.26 in green. Right now a little bit red. It goes a little bit up, a little bit down, but we are above the 72 line. We are sitting on 73, 74. So technically we are still above the 10 moving average, and that looks very good and very nice. So the fact that we actually managed to do that, I'm seeing bright future for Ethereum Classic. And you can see here also that yesterday we managed to get all the way up to the resistance, up all the way from the bottom to the next resistance up here, also where this 10 moving average is right now sitting just below it. But eventually we will actually break this resistance and go higher. So this resistance of 73.9 is really important. Let me see if I can hit this at 3.8. 3.9, something like that. 73.9, very important resistance on the way up. We want to break that, and I'm pretty confident it's going to happen. Right now Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins are having some kind of trouble finding the bottom on the pullback, but I'm pretty confident that they will find bottom eventually, and they will continue going. And once they continue going, everything will go up. Of course, once this level over here 73 is conquered, we got some more levels up here. The one important one is 84. You can see the wick. We went with the wick all the way up to that level, 74 level. 84 level, and the big thing we have to get above is the 20 moving average. That's the last line. It's not the last resistance, but it's last moving average resistance on the bigger time frames. This is the thing that you have to conquer. This is where you have to go, and once you are back above the 90 level, something like that, it's gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so nice. There are no divergences. I already checked that. There is nothing happening. The only thing that I can mention over here on the daily chart is the MACD indicator, and the MACD, we are looking for these crosses. These crosses are very important when they happen. These crosses are indicating the bullish bearish sentiment. So when the blue line crosses the orange line to the downside, that's bearish sentiment. Then started over here also indicates that this stop over here is actually real. And right now we are having some kind of bottom over here, and what we are looking for is this blue line crosses the orange line and give us what we call bullish cross, and this bullish cross will confirm this bottom over here. And once that bullish cross comes in, a lot of traders will see that, and they will act on that, and they will go long. So that's also things that can push the price in upper or lower direction. Here we actually got pushed further down on that. That said, daily chart looks very nice, but we are very interested in the small time frames, what's happening right now, why we are going back and stuff like that. So basically, as you saw, we have hit some kind of resistance on 10 moving average on some kind of a horizontal resistance line on the daily chart, and right now we are having pullback back to the moving average because we just went too fast up. We escaped the 10 and 20 moving average. I'm not looking at these other moving averages because they they are also important. But right now we are getting, you can see how this support, this 50 moving average is acting exactly really nicely 2 times in a row. 1, 2 times it's giving us support on the 50 moving average, and we still have big picture. I forgot to go into the charts. I'm sorry guys, sometimes when I make videos I forget to go into the charts, and that happens, and basically you cannot see half the screen, but it's always a good thing to go into the charts because I make my face smaller, charts bigger. So that's that. Let's continue where we were and see what's happening here. So you can see here that this 50 moving average, this yellow line, has been giving us really nice support, but I'm not actually really worried whether the 50 line is going to give us support or not. I'm worried not worried, but I'm looking for if the 10 moving average or 20 moving average is going to give us support. So right now 10 moving average is coming for us. I want to see this support, or if not, I want to see this 20 moving average giving us support. One of these lines has to give us support because they are really important on the 4-hourly time frame, and we want to get above them. Now the lowest point we should actually go over here before we can actually start panic is this line here at 59.5. Technically it's a little bit below that here at 57.4. That's the panic area, 57.4, something like that. 57 point. I cannot get 4. 3 or 5. What do you think, guys? Okay, let's say 3. 57.3. If you go below that, it's not a good feeling because you break all kinds of resistances, supports here. These moving averages you break, and we'll see also on the 1-hourly time frame you also might actually be breaking some kind of important levels down there. But right now it looks very good. We pumped really hard. We are still outdoing a lot of altcoins on the move to the downside. So this, to me, that we are not falling that much back, it shows a level of bullishness in the coin. So I'm really bullish on this right now. Let's see how the 1-hourly is going to work out. And on 1-hourly, 10 and 20 is not actually that important. 10 and 20 moving average on a 1-hourly chart is not important. The 200, that's where we're getting some kind of support out here. But the 50 and 100, these two down here are really important. The yellow and the blue one. The 50 and the 100, really important moving averages on the 1-hourly chart frame. This is 1-hourly chart. So once we start going down there, you can see already that they are in the ballpark area of where our support, good support is, or less support, however want. That's why I'm saying if we start breaking down here, it's not a good sign. We don't, I mean, with the wick we can go however long you want, you know, you can go however long, but we want to close above here, right? We want to close above here. We don't want to close down here. Okay, we don't have the we don't want the big body to be below the line, and if that happens, you know, there's still hope because the next candle must go back inside the back above the support, because when that happens, when you go with first candle below the support and next candle, right next candle back above the support, that means invalidation. That means that the support actually held and that we are actually good. Okay, so for support to break, what we are looking for is break on the support. That's the first thing. The second thing is the retest cannot get back inside above the resistance, and if the getting back fails, that's when you get you know, total confirmation of the breaking of the support, and that's when actually things can go terribly wrong, right? So always look at this. You don't want to fall below that without coming right back up again. But besides that, it looks good. The pullback is needed because we need these moving averages to move us higher. Now this isn't happening only on Ethereum Classic, it's happening on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everything is having a pullback today because yesterday everything went 30-40% up. Like, what you gonna do? You have to, you know, you have to pull back. Anyways, that's it, guys. Come back tomorrow for more Ethereum Classic videos. There are some kind of buttons below the video and some kind of links, so click anything, you know, it's all good stuff. And check out the Telegram channel. I'm trying to pump the numbers on Telegram. You know, come chat with us. Anyways, thanks guys. Thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate it. That's what helped me grow my channel. So thanks for stopping by. See you around. Bye bye.